What's up, everybody? I'm Chef Tregay Frazier, and I'm in my favorite place, the kitchen. I'm teaming up with Kroger for Black History Month, and here to help us kick it all off is Michelle Hoskins, the founder, the heart, and the soul of Michelle Foods. Hi, Michelle. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Fantastic. I'm excited to hear about how you got Michelle Foods started. I know the story, but tell the people, because it's a beautiful story.
Okay, well, Michelle Foose came from a family recipe that my great-great-great-grandmother passed down through 3 generations of girls. And when I got the recipe, I wanted to start a business. I wanted to be CEO of a company. And I thought, what better way than to put my grandmother's syrups on the market? And so that's how I kind of started with that dream. I started in my mom's basement, taking it around to local restaurants. And finally, I put it in a bottle and took it to retail.
So today, I'm gonna use your syrup, your maple syrup, and I'm gonna make overnight oats, but not any overnight oats, carrot cake overnight oats, which is great for on the go in the morning. Yes, I do it for the kids all the time. And while I do that, I want you to tell us, how does it feel as a Black-owned business being in all these retail stores?
When I first got it on the shelf, that was, I think, the most exciting time because I would go every Saturday and take my 3 little girls and we would look for it, right? And we would dress up and we would go into the stores looking for our product on the shelf. Well, guess what? We walked in one day and there it was. And it was the most exciting thing to see the product sitting on the shelf, my little girls around me, and I was like, wow, look at our dream coming true.
What does Black History Month mean to you?
It gives us a chance as Afro-Americans to showcase whatever we do. I've mentored almost 200 people in this industry. My lessons have been learned and I have been able to pass those back on to other people. And it's such a good opportunity when we're showcased by companies like Kroger to tell their customers that we are part of their family. And so it's a great feeling and it's a proud month for, I think, all of us.
This maple syrup smells amazing. Can we do this syrup, use this with other like savory dishes?
I started marinating meats. I started putting them in my baking goods. I put it in my collard greens. And I was able to use it in so many things that I wrote a cookbook with all the recipes that I make with the syrups.
And of course, you know I already have one made because I'm greedy. I'm gonna do a little yogurt, some berries, some pecans. Finish it off with that maple syrup.
I'm gonna eat some of this with you. Do you mind?
Come on.
This is delicious.
Thank you so much, Michelle, for stopping by and sharing your story. If you guys want more recipes like this, head over to Kroger.com and come on back here for some good food and conversation while we speak with another amazing Kroger supplier. Until next time, cheers.